Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show and the team. Anyway, today I have some red currant left back, and I said to myself, I need to do something with it for the fans them. And the only thing come off my mind, this is good for weight loss, and I'm gonna make it some red currant iced tea. You can have that in the morning before breakfast, or in the evening. You can drink it straight to the day. It's just specific time for drinking the iced tea, guys. You can drink it anytime. But you know, it's good for you to drink it before you eat. That's the best time. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more ideas, tips, and recipe for you. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back to the kitchen again. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I got some red currant leaf back, and I decided to do something for the fans them, to make my fans them happy. I'm gonna do a recipe which this is really good, guys, for losing weight. It's good for your tummy, good for your system, good for your blood, good for everything. This is some red currant I have left, and I'm gonna make a red currant iced tea. It's an amazing recipe. First of all, this is the red currant. Make sure you have a lot of ice. You need ice, all right? Very important. The ice is gonna be very important, to be honest. I have honey. You can use syrup if you like syrup. 2 glasses over there. I got my kettle which I just boiled some hot water into. So all I need to do is this. Get some of this nice lovely red currant. But before we get the red currant, let's put some water straight inside of the glass like this. That is some hot water, alright? Lovely. And all you're going to do is this. Squeeze some honey, roughly a teaspoon of honey, because the honey is hot. All right, now because the water is hot, so what happened now, the honey gonna be dissolved in the water. Give it a lovely stir like this. Hold on, I taste this one and see it tastes. Nice. I love honey now. When you guys buying the honey at the supermarket, please don't buy the one with the sugar. Very dangerous. The one with the sugar is not healthy. So make sure it. So this is just a red currant iced tea, and all you're going to do is get some red currant and put straight inside of the water like this. All right. So basically, what you can also do, this way. Let's do this way, yeah. What we're going to do, we're gonna let's pick off the red currant off of the stem and put it straight inside of the water like this. A little bit more easier. That's for the fans them, all right? That's so guys can see exactly what's going on. I want to tell you something. This recipe is really good, and I tell you something. Red currant is really nice. Someone on YouTube asked me where could I get the red currant out. I need to just get back in touch with them. You can get the red currant in the supermarket to buy, or yeah, I get my one in the supermarket. That's where I buy mine. So basically, I don't know where you live. Anywhere you live, just check where you can get some red currant to buy. Red currant is really nice, and I love it. Beautiful. So what you're going to do, give it a lovely stir like this. Nice one. And then what you're going to do, you're going to leave this for roughly about 5 to 6 hours until it cool. Alright? Soon as it cool, then we're going to serve it with some ice. So basically, I'm just going to just leave that right there on my counter for the next 5 or 6 more hours time from now until it get cool down. You don't have to be 5 or 6 hours. You can have to 2 hours or 3 hours. Sorry about the 5 and 6. Roughly about 3 hours. And just leave it for it to cool. Alright? Nice and lovely. So basically, guys, I've been cooling down this over the last roughly say 4 hours now, because I didn't have anything else to do. I just leave it. So anyway, but the beauty is you need to strain it, and you know what I mean, to strain it you need to get a strainer and simple strain it like this, and you get that nice lovely red color. But the beauty with this drink, this tea, the beauty with this tea is that it's really good for weight loss, and it do help you to lose weight. So that's exactly what I'm talking about right here. Look at that, beautiful, really nice. So that's everything, and that's the way it look. Beautiful, guys. I know you guys gonna love this recipe. All you're going to serve it now is this way. Nice one. So basically, this is my little glass right here, and all you need to do, ice, very important. Okay, is a drink with ice. All right. So basically, red currant iced tea, really nice, lovely and beautiful. Then next, the way you're gonna serve it is this way. So it's really nice and beautiful, guys. Let Chef Ricardo know what you think about this nice, lovely red currant iced tea. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, a lot more stuff where you can do at home to make the family feel happy. This is good for you to lose weight, and also good for you to drink because it's natural fruit. Thank you so much, and see you next time. And this is from the team, Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.